Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Rogue car key battery. Begin by confirming your fob type and buying the correct battery size. Keep a small screwdriver and a soft cloth ready to protect the fob surface. Remove the emergency key first, then gently pry open the case at the seam. Note battery orientation before removal, replace with new battery, and reassemble carefully to ensure proper function and weather sealing. Start by removing the emergency key and setting it aside safely. With a flat tool, gently insert at the seam and twist to open the fob without forcing any clips. Observe how the battery sits and note polarity before lifting it out. Insert the replacement battery in the same orientation and test the buttons briefly before snapping the case back together. Reinsert the emergency key and verify remote locking and unlocking from a short distance. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is an easy read that can change how you think about money, saving you enough to cover small repairs like a key battery. It pairs nicely with DIY projects because you keep more cash in your pocket. Look in the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. If replacing the battery doesn't restore function, inspect contacts for corrosion or debris and clean gently. Bent or broken clips can stop the battery from making contact, so check the case and battery holder. Test the new battery voltage if available and reseat all components firmly before final assembly. For persistent faults, consider visiting a dealer or locksmith who can test the transmitter and reprogram the fob if necessary to ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.